हेलो दोस्तों। आज हम सब पढ़ेंगे सर्वे, द सर्वे सब्जेक्ट। So let's go. We will discuss in service subject. There is a basically nine topic. So we will discuss first principles. What is principle? Then we will move to chain survey. After chain survey, we will go to the compass and theodolite. After that, we will discuss about the traversing and plan table. Then leveling, contour, earthwork calculation, tachymetry, and curve setting. After that, we will discuss about the photogrammetric metric and remote sensing. So today's topic we will discuss on the principle of survey. So we will discuss in the principle of survey the first uh, we will discuss the intro. In intro, we will discuss like classification of survey, principle of survey, scale of survey, shrunk scale, type of scale, and types error and types of error, and what is weight and its law of weight. So, so we will starting the topic intro. Uh, okay, intro. Why we do survey? The first question arrived. Why we do survey? हम सर्वे क्यों करते हैं? We do survey. The main objective of survey is to prepare map to get information done by measurement. हम सर्वे इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि हमें मैप बनाना होता है। जब हम मैप बनाएंगे तो हमें उसके बारे में डिटेल्स इंफॉर्मेशन प्राप्त होगा, जो कि ये हम सब मेजरमेंट के द्वारा करेंगे। इसलिए हम सर्वे करते हैं। तो चलिए मेजरमेंट। मेजरमेंट भी दो टाइप के होते हैं। पहला हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन और दूसरा वर्टिकल प्लेन। In horizontal plane, there are two types. First, linear, which is also known as horizontal distance, and the second one is angular, which is also known as horizontal angle. So, and there is also the part vertical plane in which the same linear and angular is. In linear, there is a vertical distance. In angular, there is a vertical distance. So, we will discuss here. Now, there is a man. I will only provide you the information that is relevant to the examination purpose only, and no extra means sugar coating is here. So, here, the first we will classification of survey. In classification of survey, there are primary and secondary. We will classified on the basis of accuracy, which is according to accuracy. There are two types. First, plane, and second in geodetic survey. In plane survey, the we the, we does not curvature of Earth. And geodetic survey, we will put curvature of Earth, and that is included the curvature of Earth. Plane survey. Plane survey is usually made for the small area, the area which is less than 195.5 square kilometer, or as usual 250 square kilometer is taken. Plane survey is conducted by state agency and railway, but geodetic survey is for large area which is greater than 195.5 square kilometer or 250 square kilometer, and it is conducted by the Survey of India because it is a large area. So here the formula is like plane survey. In plane survey, 12 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter geodetic survey. It means if we or move 12 kilometer, then the geodetic survey 1 centimeter like angular will happen. That's why we have put it plane 12 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter geodetic survey. In geodetic survey, we include curvature of the earth. So 1 centimeter is here curvature of the earth inclination. Okay. The same thing are in the second formula is the 12 kilometer is for length only, and the second is for area purpose, which is plane 195.5 square kilometer is equal to 1 second geodetic curvature. Okay, if we given the area, then we will have to put this formula. Like if like area, we have given 250 area, so we will divide and multiply by 1 by 195.5 into 250. So we will get the geodetic. Okay, we will discuss ahead numerical also. So first we will now we will discuss about the secondary classification. The secondary classification is based on the according to land there is topography, cadastral, and also there is a land. Uh, there is also a city survey. You know that the city survey is for the development of the future development. That is known as city survey. So I didn't write here. The main is topography and cadastral. Topography is represent all natural and man-made feature around a point or location. It is known as topography, like hills, mountains, rivers. These are included in topography. And the second is the cadastral. Cadastral means to differentiate the boundary of the anybody, like and boundary of the your plot is known as cadastral, or any like boundary of the nation between two uh, nation include between two state also between country also that is known as cadastral differentiate the boundary and second is according to instrument there is also horizontal and vertical like horizontal distance we will measure chain tap tachymeter EDM electronic distance machine there is an angle which measures the instrument are compass, theodolite, total station, and sextant. And the instrument which measured vertical distance are tachyometer, tempi level. Like horizontal and vertical, both measures instrument is tachyometer. That's why I highlighted with the purple color, which means both. In angle, there is a sextant and theodolite. Both measures the vertical and horizontal angle. Uh, Vertical angle, there is a like clinometer also, which measure the vertical angle only. So we can memorize it by like 3T, 2P, 2CL. Means 3 ticket, 2 police, 2 show, 1 loot. Means there are 2 police, 2 chore are, uh, and there is a 1 loot, but there are 3 ticket. Like 2 police already taken the ticket and 1 chore is taken 1 ticket that the ticket is finished and 1 chore that looted the item. That's the story. So how to remember. So how you remember? There are 2 police. Police are definitely will take the ticket and there is a 2 chore. 1 chore was beginner so he afraid so he also taken the 1 ticket. 1 ticket he taken. The one chore was very legend, so he didn't take the one ticket and he looted the item. That's the story. Means 3 ticket. 3T means theodolite, tachyometer, total station. Got it? 2 please. 2P means that is the all the instrument. Like in survey, we have only three means three, two, five, six, seven, eight instruments, and a lot and many more. I like previous notes were different, so this was a different story. This is not that much important. So now, what is principle? What is principle? This is the main topic of the survey, and we will discuss all every topic. There is a principle. So principle is the most important topic in survey. Oh, principle. What is principle? There are two principle of the survey. First is to work from whole to part. Means working from whole to part means like so by working from whole to part, first major control points are measured with a high accuracy and precision, and minor details with less. Means first of all we taken major contour or control points which allocate the all the major boundary. Then we will divide in with less accuracy and precision. And the second is error in minor details not affect the whole frame, eliminated. And error do not accumulate or increase. Means if we done minor details with less accuracy, then it does not affect on uh, our result because we have done high accuracy with the major points. And the second one is to locate new station by at least two measurement or reference point. Like if we have to locate new station, we already know 2 points like one angle plus like two angle. Okay, so we will like here is example. In chain survey, we know a like BC like AB. A and B we know. Okay. Then we have moved uh, some meter, like 5 meters from B to there, C. Then A to C. Then we get C point. There is a two horizontal distance. The horizontal distance is known as chain survey. If we done with the two angle, then it is known as compass survey. If we done with linear measurement and angular, then it's known as traversing. Traversing. Okay. And there is also an offset. Like we know A and B, but also a distance we have to find D. We know that from C, a perpendicular offset uh, if we given, then we will get D. So this is known as offset method. Now, scale. What is scale? Scale usually means length of line on map to the length of line on the ground. Means we have like there is also known as representative fraction. To represent what is representative fraction? RF means representative fraction, which represent the scale. The scale which have more RF is defined as large scale. Means the scale which have more RF is defined as large scale. Okay, got it. Like in general, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter or less is known as large scale, or it is also known as engineering scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter to 100 meter is known as medium, and 1 centimeter to 100 meter or more less is known as small. Like scale formula. If we get an area of map and also given the area of on ground, so we will usually calculate by scale. If there is area given, then we will under root. If there is a volume given, then we will under cube. Okay, that is scale. And there is a like a 3 scale you according to our refractive refractive representative fraction. Okay, according to the representative fraction. First, full size scale, which RF is equal to 1, means map and ground is equal to same. Reducing scale, map is less than ground. Increasing means ground map is greater than ground. Yeah, we we have completed the scale topic. Now there is a type of scale, and this is important. I mean, shrunk scale. In shrunk scale, there is a type of scale which are 2D and 3D. Means 2D. There is a plane and diagonal. Plane plane scale. There is a two consecutive dimensions like millimeter and centimeter. We will measure. In diagonal scale, there is a three consecutive dimension. Consecutive means like we will centimeter, we will find centimeter, decimeter, and meter. Okay. The least count of plane survey is millimeter and diagonal is centimeter. But in 3D, there is a vernier scale which find three dimensions. First, vernier scale also classified between two. First, direct. Second is retrograde. In direct, there is a least count is as means main scale upon and vernier scale. Retrograde also the same, but the difference is number of vernier is equal to number of minus one main scale. In direct scale, main scale is smaller, one small, one less. Okay, but in retrograde, the main scale one more or greater than vernier scale is known as retrograde. Okay, guys, we now what is shrunk factor, shrinkage factor, and shrinkage ratio? Um, all three are similar. Okay, shrunk is known as shrunk length upon original length. Shrunk length, like a map, uh, is shrinkage. Uh, okay, now, today means 10. Okay, got it. Shrunk scale upon original scale means original. Okay, mm, mm. Original scale is always greater than shrunk scale. Shrunk scale is equal to shrunk length on map to the ground length. Original scale is equal to original length on map to the original length on the ground. No, on map, corrected length is equal to measured length upon shrunk factor or shrinkage factor. If we qualified, if we have to find area or volume, we have to square in area and cube in volume. The same on the ground, there is a like formula I have correct and there is a equation like that correct into correct is equal to round into round. Okay, this will formula equated like corrected length is equal to corrected in dimension. So multiply by corrected, and there is a wrong by wrong. Okay. Measure length wrong. Okay. Like correct. I have to find on ground corrected length. There is a wrong RF by corrected RF into measure length. If we have area, then we have to square. If there is volume, then we have to cube. That's all. Now we have to discuss about the error. What is error? There is also a type of error, like there is types of error and sources of error. Okay. If we discuss about the sources of error, there is a three sources of error, which is personal error, instrumental error, and natural error. Okay. This is not important that much, but types of error is very important. Like there is accidental error. Okay. Accidental error, most probable error, and probable error. Uh, like I have missed one thing. No, 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 no. Okay, this is I. Okay, here is okay instruction. Yeah, there are types of error. First, gross error, which is also known as uh, mistake or lack experience, yeah, carelessness. Accidental error or random error. It is also known as compensative error. Remains mistake. His formula is root L under root or 1 upon n under root or n is equal to minus 0.5 is compensative error. The most important is accidental or random is known as compensative error due to human observation. Systematic and cumulative is changed to short or long. Okay. But compensative error is remains mistake means the most important if you like neglect error, cross error or systematic or cumulative error. But definitely remember the accidental, random and compensative. Both three are same. So you will this is most important. This error can't be correct. Remains mistake. Okay. Accidental error, random error, and compensating. How you learn? car. Yeah, you can learn by car. Compensative, A means accidental, R means random. Okay, got it? Now, in accidental error, there are three types of error also. There are most probable error means plus minus 0.6745 standard deviation. And a standard deviation is known as summation of V variance square upon n minus 1. N means number of observation and the maximum error should be plus minus 3.29 uh, standard deviation. Okay, there is a probable error plus minus 0.6745 is known as we can put here also like probable error. Like we can put also here standard deviation. Okay, yeah. Probable mean error. If we put more one extra n in the denominator, then is known as probable mean error. Probable mean error. Yeah. Now it's done error types of error, sources of error. Now we have to calculate the error. How we calculate the error? We can calculate the error by error. There is an error formula. Error formula which classify like if we have to calculate the error, we have to first know measured value and true value. The formula is measured value minus true value is known as error. If the measured value more than error is positive. If the measured value is less than error is negative. This hmm, an error, and there is correction also. Correction, true value minus measured value. Correction and true value are inversely proportional. If like error and correction have same magnitude but different direction or sign. Okay, how we can calculate the correct value? Like first of all, we have to measure the value, then we have to put plus minus correction. Okay, correction may be positive and negative. So we plus minus correction. We will get corrected value. Now we have to discuss on the last topic of this. This is law of weight is a subtopic of this intro topic. Okay, law of weight. Law of weight means accuracy. If it is directly proportional to the accuracy and inversely proportional to the error and inversely proportional to the length of the line. If we increase the length of the line or wire, uh, we we get more error or accuracy will like variate or increases. That's why it is inversely from the to the length of the line. Weight of quantity is calculated based on accuracy. The weight here is based on accuracy. There are four four basic laws and two also there is. So we will discuss like addition. Like there is quantity A and B carrying a weight W1 and W2. The new quantity. If we have to calculate the quantity C dash, we have to add A plus B. So we get W1 plus W2. Okay. But we have to calculate the weight of C. So we have to add 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. So here we will get 1 plus 1 plus W1 plus 1 upon W2 is known as weight of the C, as similar to the subtraction also. But in quantity we subtract, but in law of weight we didn't subtract. The formula is similar to the addition one. The same thing apply to the multiplication and division, but by multiplication the law is uh, divi law of division carrying, and in the division there is a law of multiple carrying, like weight of A, which is W1, there is a constant, means 4 is a constant, there will be square of 4. Okay, or here is division, the same thing will happen, but in division there will be multiply with constant square. Here is a like a W1, we will, there was denominator 5 constant number, here we will multiply with the 5 square. Okay, now the most important there is weight of mean with quantity carrying same weight and the quantity carrying different weight. In same weight, there is a quantity x1, x2, x3, the carrying weight 1, 2, 3. Okay. Mm. Oh, sorry. Here, weight will carrying 1, 1, 1. Okay. Here will carrying 1, 2, 3. Okay. The mean quantity means we have to calculate the mean, means average. Okay. So we will have to quantity x1 plus x2 plus x3, which is all 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we will find 3 divided by 3. Okay. is known as mean of quantity. But we have here to calculate the weight. So mean will be addition of all weight. Means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is known as 3. As similar, okay, here the law is following of addition only. The weight with different quantity, like we have to mean of quantity with most probable, means x1 into w1 plus x2 w2 x3 w3 plus divided by w1 plus 3 we will get quantity. But weight of mean, we will have to sum all weight, okay, as similar as 1 plus 2 plus 3 is known as 6. That is, that's all. Now I have put the main revision chart of the formula, which is applicable to the numerical. The very most important formula chart. Num Here I put a numerical. Okay. The first I have talked about the plane 12 kilometer. Go ahead. Then geodetic will get 1 centimeter. If area there will be, then it all carry on 1 second. Okay. There is a shrunk scale. Right now we have discussed about the shrunk scale. Shrunk scale is equal to shrinkage factor multiplied by original or true scale. Okay, there is scale or area, scale of area, scale of volume. There is a on map, on ground, accidental error, also known as CAR. Okay, CAR means compensative error. If means accidental, R means random error. Got it? Now, there is most probable error and probable mean error we have discussed. Like in probable mean, if there is a mean, then directly put one n also, like plus minus 0.6745, error square n minus 1. Okay. La. There is a important also list count. What is a list count? The main scale upon number of the division on the 1 year scale is known as list count. Like there is a mistake or blunder due to carelessness, known as mistake or blunder. Error is not due to carelessness. Okay, what is mistake and blunder and error? Like accidental error is not error, but accidental error is an error which can't be tolerated without due to carelessness. Okay, there is a law that right now we have discussed. Like here, I have sorted the formula. Like addition, subtraction, we have to only 1 upon W plus 1 upon W. Okay. With multiplication, we have sorted like weight of A upon constant square. Here, weight of A upon constant square. Okay. Here I divided, here I multiplied. The same mean for sum of all we or mean we have directly addition formula. Yeah, I have already told you that the formula corrected multiply CC by WW means correct multiply correct W is equal to W wrong multiply by wrong. That formula will applicable here on ground, okay, as well as on map. Now error is equal to 1 under root n is equal to n minus root of n minus 0.5. Okay, there is residual error also. Residual error means most probable, most probable. Okay, MPV. Where is most probable? Okay, where is most probable? Okay, most probable minus measure value. Most probable value minus measure value. or observed value is known as residual error. Most probable error minus measured value or observed value is known as residual value. Now, this is the final and the last. Like I have done with the numerical question. There is a there. This is the short listed of the from the numerical. We will discuss ahead. Uh, so we have to discuss in intro. We have mm, talk about the principles. Okay, like uh, plan, scale, list count. This we have discussed. Like we have discussed principle, intro, okay, type of scale, diagonal, vernier, retro. And now I have to summarize all that. First, first of all, we have talk about like survey. What is survey? Survey. Why we do survey? We do survey. The main objective of survey is to prepare the map to get information, and it is done by measurement. Okay. Measurement, there is like a two method, horizontal plane and vertical. In a horizontal plane, there is a horizontal distance and a horizontal angle. In vertical plane, there is a vertical distance and vertical angle. Okay. After that, we have discussed about the type of principle. What is principle? There is two main principle of the survey. Is first, working from whole to part. Okay, is known as first principle. In this, we have to locate the main contour point or measure point or station, like ABCG, main station. First, we have locate or the boundary. Then we have the main contour point with high accuracy done. After that, we have done with the less accuracy. The second, uh, the less or minor error is not accumulate or increase when we done with less accuracy for small means small. Okay. Now the second principle is about what? About we at least know two measurement to find or to locate the new station is known as the second principle. Like we know chain survey. Chain survey is basically uh, known for we have two horizontal distance. So we like we have to move vertical, we have to move forward 5 meter, then we move horizontal 5 meter. Then uh, we get a diagonal hypotenuse angle where this will meet, this is known as point C. Okay, the same as uh, theodolite. Sorry, maybe uh, angular distance in measure. Oh, compass. Yeah, compass. In compass, there is a two angle we measure, and if we measure length plus angle, then we have to done with the transversing. Then after we have to done with the offset and scale. We have already know type of scale, and scale represent representative fraction represent scale. If scale have more RF, it is known as large scale. Okay, these all are the today's topic formula. Okay, if you want to discuss the for numerical, like, mm, can I write here? Uh, yeah, you can. I write here. Okay, like Here, the difference in length of an arc means the difference in length of an arc and its substandard code on the Earth's surface for a distance of 18.5 kilometer is dash. Here we have to find means code. Okay, means this is the Earth. Okay, code. Okay, here we know 18.5 kilometer, which is length. Okay, this is length. Okay, sorry, this is length. The formula we know that like mm, 12 kilometer for curvature 1 centimeter. We have this is for R. Okay, now we have to find uh, this is plane and this is 1 centimeter geodetic survey. So we have to multiply it by 1 by 12. 1 by 12 divide multiply by 18.5. We will get the answer. Okay, we will like we have to uh, calculate. So calculate like how many? 18.5. 18, 18, 18.5 divided by 12. Enter, which we will get 150.5 from 150, and this is the answer. Got it? This is a centimeter. Got it? Centimeter. The next, the second question. The difference between angle of spherical and plane triangle of 300 square kilometer area is so simple. Here is also like we already know uh, what we already know the formula. Oh God, remove fast is fast. Okay, we already know the formula. Like here is a we have to calculate only 300 kilometer. 300 what 300 square kilometer. Here is area. So we know that 195.5 or we know that 250 as usual. Okay, 195 is equal to 1 second. Okay, how many second? Here is uh, as similar as here also. Like if answer is uh, from here, then we uh, if answer is not coming from this equation, then we have to apply with 250 this. Okay, so 1 second 195, okay, point 0.5 multiplied by 300. We have to put or we have to 1 upon 250 into that. Okay, like how many? 300. 300 divided by 195.5. There is a 1.53. Is it answer 1.53? Yes. Here is the answer 1.53. Okay. Now we have to discuss on the third question. The old map means old map. Okay. Has shrinkage factor of 24 upon 25. What? Shrinkage factor of 24 upon 25. And RF is equal to 1 upon 25. Find true scale and shrunk scale. Okay. shrunk scale, like mm, like shrunk scale. We have to find true scale and shrunk scale. Shrunk scale. We know as shrinkage factor upon true value or original scale. Okay, like an old map means old is we have to assume old map is the father and the god means original. Okay, old map has shrinkage factor of 24 into 25. So RF is shrinkage factor of 24 into 25 and representative refractive fraction is 1 upon 2. What is this? Is a value of whole original. Okay, original true value 1 upon 24. What is the shrunk factor? Means shrinkage factor is known is 24 upon 25. 24 upon 25. So we can divide by 1. Here we divide by 1 upon double zero. We will get shrinkage factor of 1 upon 2500. Got it? We will got distance. Okay, the question number is 4. Which of the following scale is larger one? Like 1 upon, we first of all we have to calculate it the centimeter scale. Okay, meter. We have to put double more 0 2 0 means total 3 0. Okay, 3 0 4 0 4 0 3 0. Here 3 3 2 5 0 here and 7 0 here. Here 3 6 0 6 0 3 3 6 0 7 8 0. Okay, 8 0 here 5 0 mm, kilometer 3 meter to 5 6 7 0. Here 7 0. Okay, here 3 4 0. Okay, 4 0. Here 2 0 3 0. Here 3 0. So the this is the ratio. Okay, here 3 ratio. Whose denominator is less is known as larger one. So here 3 0 is the and the smallest one. So this is the answer. Okay. Now we have to go on question number 5. Here is a plane represent a rectangular area. Means a plane represent a rectangular area. Okay. This is a rectangular area of 61965 and measure 8.5 centimeter by itna. Plan represent a rectangular area of this and measure find the scale of map. Okay, we have to find the scale of map. So we have to divide uh, like there is a root. We definitely if there is an area then we have to take a square root. Okay, 8.5 point into 10, then we divide by 61965. Okay, if we multiply by this, then we will get this will be this is a centimeter. Okay, then this will be qualified by there will be 1 centimeter, or we can put like this. What? Uh, 8.5, whatever value. Okay, now I'm here. Uh, I'm erasing this. What is that? Mm, 8 point, what is it? 8.5, okay, into 10 centimeter divided by what? 6161965. Okay, here is a meter square. What meter square? Like we have to put, if we convert into centimeter, then we will multiply by more means 4 over 4. Okay, then this is come to centimeter square. Now this is eliminated. Uh, if we put like this, okay, and this like this, if we can multiply by this, we can multiply like this. Okay, so 8 point, sorry, I am doing 10 centimeter upon mm, mm, like let finish this and then okay finish. Now I have to put this into here, and here is like 1 centimeter divided by, I put this into here. Okay, this nice. Okay, finish. Sorry. That simple divided by, here I put it 8.5. Okay, as similar. So 8.5 divided by this 619 619 6 61965 divided by 85 85 enter 729. Okay. Mm, 729. Okay, 729 is the answer. 729 7 729. There will be 27. 27. I will check the answer. Okay. There is no option. That's right. Now, this is also a complicated question. A survey plan was plotted to a scale of 20 meter to 1 centimeter. This scale was reduced in such a way that original 20 centimeter line now measures 19 centimeter. If area of reduced plan is 100 centimeter, then actual area of the plan was the scale of 20 meter to 1 centimeter. Okay, here we will like represent the fact. Actual means on the ground. We need ground means RF, wrong RF. What is the wrong RF? 19 by 20, 9 now measure 19 centimeter. Wrong RF is 19 upon 20 divided by what? Divided by, or we can apply direct formula. Okay, what is the direct formula? Ignore like shrunk. Okay, SS is known as shrinkage or actual. If the area of reduced plan is 100 centimeter, uh, mm, shrink the a survey plan was plotted to a scale of 20 meter to centimeter to 20 meter. This is the survey plan. Survey. Okay. This scale was reduced in such a way that originally let I have to discuss this later. Okay. The next question is a survey or measured the distance between 2 points marked on the plan drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and found it to be 50 meter later. He deducted that he used a wrong scale of 50 centimeters for the measurement. Here we have to like 2 points. Plant drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and found it to be 50 meter. Wrong scale 1 upon 50 upon uh, 1 upon 100. Okay, 100 into mm, found measure value 50. Okay, this will be go here. What is that? The survey or measure the distance between 2 point mark on the plant to the scale of 1 centimeter. No, to be 50 meter. Later he detected that he was a wrong scale of 1 centimeter by 150. So here is 150. 1, 2, 25. Okay. The same here if we do square and here we do 60, then we will get according to the 60 meters square. Okay. Like you put into this. 25. If we do have square into 60, then we will get according to the 60. A survey measure a distance between two points. A survey measure survey. This is a important. I will find a trick. A surveyor measure. This is the language. Okay, like here also a surveyor or survey or measure the distance. Surveyor. Here also a surveyor plan allotted. Okay, allowed. So enjoy the this. You can like uh, here surveyor plan distance between 2 points. Allow scale 1 centimeter 25. The resultant. Now see which one with the variety of ground level. Here is a metric. Is a conducted property of line cadastre. Now you can see this here. Which of the following statement is correct regarding plane survey? Plane surveying is the type of surveying in which the mean surface of the Earth is considered as plan and the spheroidal space is neglected. Yes, ठीक है ये ठीक है. In plane survey, all lines lying in the surface are curved line. ये गलत है. तो कौन सा होगा? पहला होगा. ठीक है. और तीसरा क्वेश्चन. If a distance of 1 kilometer on the ground is represented by 1 centimeter on the drawing sheet, if the distance of 1 kilometer on the ground is represented by 1 centimeter on drawing sheet, then what will the value of RF 1 upon kilometer कितना होता है? 30. 10 का पावर 3 into 10 का पावर 2. 3 2. This will be the answer. The fourth question. Geodetic surveys differ from plane surveys because curvature of Earth, large difference of elevation between various points, coverage of very large area, and duration of the topography. Curvature of the Earth and coverage of the large difference of elevation between various points. The ensuing line is situated on a flat surface. The ensuing line is situated on a flat. Is known as horizontal line. Okay. 6. The minimum number of contour points required for the establishment of new station is number 3. Sorry, sorry, extremely sorry. Uh, uh, Here will be two because two horizontal line which is known as chain. If we measure, then we will get third one. Okay, chain or compass. The seventh, the ratio of measurement on paper to the ground is known as uh, paper means map. Okay, map to the ground is known as mm, representative fraction or a scale. So here, here will be scale. Sorry, not representative factor. Representativity factor like represent shrinkage upon original, shrunk upon original. Okay, we will like we have to uh, scale is a map on the ground. Okay, shrinkage scale. Raise shrinkage scale. Shrinkage scale. Shrinkage scale. Here, shrunk length upon original length. Sorry, representative fraction. To represent here, scale is known as here. Okay, length of line on the map and length. So RF represent a scale. Okay, done. Which of the following survey is classified on the base of instrument? Mining, military, no. Tachyometry survey. This is the instrument. These are those which remains after mistakes and systematic error have been eliminated. These are those remains after mistakes. Okay, you know, car. What? Car. Okay, car. Compensative. Here is compensative. Yes, here is compensative error or random error or accidental error. Okay. Theory of probability can be applied to theory of probability can be applied to. I don't know. Sorry. I will tell in the next. Okay. Study of the following statement and identify the correct combination of the statement. A blunder is a significant mistake caused by human error. Error is a mistake due to carelessness. Error is not. Uh, Error is a mistake due to carelessness. Under the same condition of measurement, accidental errors are relatively small and unavoidable. This is correct. A blunder or mistake. Blunder or mistake is a significant mistake caused by human error. Yes, human error इससे होता है. और error is a mistake due to किससे होता है? Due to carelessness. Not due to carelessness. Under the same condition of the measurement. Let's check. Okay, I'm confused. Little bit. Where is it here? Remains mistake due to human observation. Okay, due to human observation remains mistake. Wait. Let ask from ChatGPT. Okay, so yeah, from here. from of ChatGPT given me the time slot. Now see which option is correct. Error in mistake 20 is false. Okay. A blunder is a significant caused by human error. True. Blunder also called a gross error. Okay. Error is a mistake due to carelessness. Error is the difference between the major value and the true value. While blunder are due to the carelessness, systematic random error. Random error. Under the same condition, the measurement systematic error are constant in magnitude. Under the same condition of measurement, systematic error are constant in magnitude and direction. Sign. Accidental error are relatively small, unavoidable. True. Means I was right. Okay. Error cannot be due to carelessness. Blunder or mistake is due to carelessness. Blunder or mistake. So the option B will be true for true, false, true, true. Okay. The 24th question. The difference between two measured value of the same quantity is known as means there is two measured value of the same quantity is known as discrepancy. What? Discrepancy. Okay. Sorry for my wrong pronunciation. Pronunciation. Okay. Avoid this. A 25%. A plot of land 60 meter into 20 meter is measured by a tap. Okay. If the standard error of the length and wide measurement is taken as plus minus 1 centimeter, then the standard error of the area of the plot would be. This is from TAP or Chan subject. We will discuss on this will be second chapter. According to the basic principle of error, if the number of observations are made, then the accidental error are proportional to means you got it. This number of accidental error are proportional to the number of observation of this and upon minus because of denominator root 0.5. Okay. Which of these is a negative error? Sag is a sag in a chain is a negative. Sorry. This will also we will discuss in the chain survey. Which calculating correction to the word. These all are from chain survey. Dash is defined as a that quantity when added to the subtracted from the most probable value. Fixes the limit within which it is an even chance that true value of the measurement quantity must lie. Dash is defined as that quantity when added to and also subtracted from the most probable value plus minus. Okay, 0.7685 that one when you fix the limit again with true value of the measurement must lie most probable error. This is most plus minus. Uh, that is this is chance survey. We will discuss next video. So thank you for all you have enjoyed this by listening with all. Thank you.